Welcome to GBCR1 Motivational Series. This series is for everyone, students, working professionals, athletes, or anyone looking for inspiration. Every Sunday, we bring you a new motivational story to uplift your spirit, boost your confidence, and help you face life's challenges with courage. If you ever feel demotivated, stuck, or alone, just watch one story, imagine yourself in it, and let it give you the strength to move forward and achieve your goals. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you never miss a story that can inspire you. The story of Dheeraj, the determined young man. In a small village, there lived a young man named Dheeraj. From the outside, he seemed ordinary, some even called him weak and sickly. But inside, he carried a dream that burned brighter than the sun. Dheeraj wanted to become a great runner, to represent his country one day. But people around him didn't believe in his dream. "You'll never run like the others," they laughed. "Why even try?" Most would have given up. But not Dheeraj. Every morning, long before the sun rose, he quietly tied his shoes and ran. At first, he could barely manage a few steps. His legs burned, his legs ached, and every step felt impossible. But Dheeraj refused to quit. Day after day, he ran a little farther, pushed himself a little harder. He fell, he stumbled, he wanted to give up, but he kept moving. Then came the day of the village race. The strongest, fastest young men were ready to compete. Everyone whispered, "Dheeraj won't even finish." The race began. The others sprinted ahead, confident in their strength. Dheeraj ran slowly at first, every step a test of will. Step by step, breath by breath, he did not stop. Slowly, steadily, he climbed past his doubts, past the whispers, past the fear. And then, to everyone's shock, Dheeraj crossed the finish line first. The crowd was silent, then erupted in cheers. It wasn't just speed that made him win, it was his courage, determination, and refusal to give up. Years later, Dheeraj went on to represent his country internationally. But more than medals or fame, people remembered him as the young man who turned his struggles into strength and his dreams into reality. Lessons from Dheeraj's journey. 1. Success takes patience and persistence. Don't rush, don't quit. 2. Ignore the doubts of others, their opinions don't define you. 3. Every small step, every effort counts. Hard work and belief in yourself will overcome any challenge. If Dheeraj's story inspired you, hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon to join our motivational family. Every Sunday, you'll get a new story to keep you positive, focused, and determined on your journey, no matter what challenges you face. And remember, you are an inspiration too. You have also faced struggles, challenges, and tough days. If you have a story of your own, a moment where you overcame difficulties and didn't give up, share it with us in the comments. We would love to feature your journey in one of our videos, because your story can inspire thousands of others.